Hey guys, welcome to my videos. I hope you all are doing excellent and taking ample care of yourself along with your family members. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna install this Happy Joe's dash cam. It's a 360-degree dash camera. As you can see that it has got like this is the front, right side, left side, okay, and it has got a rear end camera too. So I'm going to install it in my car. So the very first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the wiring of my old dash cam, which is went through. It worked pretty well, and there was no reason for me to change it. But what happened, like the back component was broken. It's not their mistake. Somebody who sat there pulled it out and it got broken. And now because this model is no longer in use, they don't have it anymore. So that is why I am forced to. So what I'm going to do, see, I'm going to follow the exact same trajectory. You see this wire, how it's going through? It has gone through all the way. So same thing I'm going to do. I'm going to put my wire all the way like that. So this is the hardwire not hardwire, like the charging component, or you can say connection component. So I'm going to put it in the lighter. Okay. And you see the way it was done. So I'm going to open the other door and I'm going to follow the same trajectory on top. So you can see that how beautifully it was hidden behind this, that without causing any damage, it was pushed inside and it was gone all the way up from here. Okay, I'm just pulling it out. Okay, so as you can see, I have taken this out. Okay, now at the exact same space, I'm gonna install the camera. So the first thing I did after attaching this is to unzip or you can say unlock the wiring kit. So now I have to like hide this wire. So what I'm gonna do, of course I'm gonna pass it from beneath the floor mats, and you need to make sure that it should neither be too loose nor it should be too easy. Okay, that's what I would recommend. Okay, so this is how I am doing. So with this, the person who sits next to me will not have any problem to sprawling legs or something. Okay, now after I have reached this wire here, I am gonna again follow the same trajectory, that I am gonna use this side, okay, to push it inside, and then using these corners I am gonna put it all the way up. So it's all about hiding, how beautifully you can hide. Okay, see what I have done here, I have just pushed it. Okay, so you got to be gentle. You don't want to break your car, but at the same time you want to hide this wire, because I can even let it loose, hang over here, but then it makes no sense, right? Because whoever opens the car, they are gonna see it and they're gonna have problem coming in. Correct? With the help of just my fingers, I could push it. See, the wire is going here. You see this wire is coming in and going in. I did not have to use any sophisticated or any classified tool for this. So now I have reached here. Now the same process I'm going to follow here also. Just keep on hiding. Okay, see, with the help of my fingers, I reached up to here with the help of my fingers. Now I will follow the same path like the previous. Keep hiding as much you can. Okay, but yes, don't break anything. That's why, because I don't want to break, and I'm not using any sharp object or something, just with my fingers. You can see that almost I am there, almost there. Okay, so see, now we have reached almost. You know why? Because wire so what I'm going to do next, I'm going to stick the camera here, connect it, and the remaining wire I'm going to again stash here. So you can see it has been fixed. Because of its unlocking and unlocking is so easy, we can definitely like change the position after we turn the car on, because definitely would like to see the footage, how it is looking, and then the angle, other things, right? You'll sit on the driver's seat and try to adjust it so that it doesn't interrupt in your driving visibility. So they have given us like 2 of these. So the reason, what you can do is like you place it towards the window like this. Okay, like this when you pick. And I mean, first before you application, you remove the one, place it there, and then second one, and once it's there, you can take this off. the benefit it's gonna do is, like when you want to take the camera off, you just gonna take this out. So basically this sticky surface, like I put this stand, it was with the camera, this is not gonna directly stick to your windshield. So in future if you want to remove it, it's pretty simple. So step number 1, take this number 1 off. Of course clean your windshield, paste it on windshield, take this off. So you have a small strip sticked over there, and then take this sticky surface off, attach over there. So now the front part of the camera is ready. I'm gonna do the back side. So for the back side, what you are gonna do, like depending on the design, see this is what I have got for the back camera. So it is gonna go into place, and this is gonna be the power, so that will connect to the front. And then, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna follow the same trajectory all the way from here. I'm gonna pass the camera right all the way from here, I'm gonna pass the camera towards the back. So first I stick the camera here, and now this wire I'm gonna pass. This end of the wire is already connected, yeah, so I'm gonna use it. So my installation is almost completed. I'm gonna show you. Oh, let me focus right. Yeah, sorry guys, I had to do it. So for after I sticked, I passed the wire here, all the way here, coming. Of course I can do better later on. I'll hide it better. Coming here, okay, all the way wire has been pushed, if you can see, okay, and all the way it has been brought here, being hidden here, coming and going up, and then here you can see it's coming down. It has connected to the camera. So that is how guys simple it is. Now tell me one thing, if you get this done by a professional, how much they are gonna charge? And I do it for free. So that's how it works guys. Now I'm gonna play around with the camera. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.